Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a fabulous Haitian style peanut brittle. Absolutely fabulous. As you can see, I have some peanuts here. I've already roasted them. You can go ahead and purchase them already roasted. If you don't know how to roast peanuts, just put it inside a pot on low heat and just continue to rotate it in it until they have like a little nice dark color like this. Okay. And also, what you will need is some ginger. In my opinion, it must have fresh ginger, not the powder, but you can use it. Also, I'm going to use these cinnamon sticks only because I ran out of the powder. So we're going to use the cinnamon. And also I have my Haitian delicious, guys. This is straight out of Haiti. And also I have some sugar, and I'm not using white sugar. You could use, this is sugar cane, but you can use brown sugar, whatever sugar you like. And I have salt here, and this is about all, and I need some butter. I forgot to grab the butter. And that's all we're gonna use to make a fabulous, fabulous, fabulous peanut brittle. All right, to our pan, I'm gonna add my sugar. And I have my stove on a number 3, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just continue to stir it until your sugar becomes a liquid, okay? I wanted to show you in this small pot, I added some water and the cinnamon sticks, and I allow it to cook, okay, and let it reduce so that our liquid could have that nice cinnamon flavor, okay? So I'm gonna set this aside until later, and you want to constantly stir this so it does not burn, okay? So once it begins to melt, I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. All right, after a while, it should look like this, okay? So I'm gonna continue to stir it because it's still a little grainy, so we want the sugar to melt and turn into this syrup, okay? And if mine look a little brown, like I said, I'm using sugar cane or beige. I'm using a sugar cane. So we're gonna continue doing this, and I turned my stove to a low because we definitely do not want this to burn. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to do this for a few minutes, then I'll come back and show you what I do next. Okay, it's been cooking for about a few minutes, okay? If you notice, it's getting a little chunky. So what I'm going to do at this time is add in my liquid. And like I said, I would not have done it this way if I had the powder sugar. I would have just add the powder sugar to my melted sugar and add the other ingredients, and then add my peanuts in. But I'm doing this route because I don't have the powder. See, it's like a simple syrup, but we're going to allow it to reduce because we want this to thicken. Meanwhile, I'm going to add my ginger because I want my ginger. I like the flavor of ginger, so I have to have my ginger in here. And I will also add some butter. And the butter and ginger is optional. I'm just showing you how I make it, okay? And I'm gonna also add a pinch of salt. Here's the pinch of salt. See how it's coming together? Looking nice. All right, so we're gonna allow this to cook, still on the low, for about 2 minutes, and then I'll add my peanuts in. All right. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my roasted peanuts. And also, I'm gonna add some of my vanilla extract. Okay. And if you want yours to have that darker color, just let your sugar cook a little longer. I mean, I like it both ways, but because I'm in the middle of cooking and I have other stuff I'm doing, I'm not gonna allow it to get as dark, okay? So we're gonna allow this to just come together, because if you can see now, it's not together. So I'm gonna just allow everything to kind of cook and come together, and then I'll show you what I do next. All right, it's about ready now, okay? So what I'm gonna do is take some and put it on my cooking board, okay? And as you can see, I don't know if you can notice, my cooking board, I did wet it, okay? So that's gonna help it not to stick. Smells amazing. It's been resting for a few minutes now. I just want to show you how, see how easy that was to come up. So it's a technique that I've learned over the years, because growing up, my father, when he used to make this for us, he used to use banana leaves. So I don't have a banana tree, guys. So you just wet whatever surface you want to place this on, and it's not going to allow it to stick. Just wanted to show you the back. Guys, it is fabulous. I took a piece of one. It is delicious. You could taste the hint of the cinnamon. You could taste the ginger. Until next time, please like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe.